Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor has sent me a product. This is a free product, and this is a paid shoppable video. Let's get straight to it, shall we? This is a mini vacuum, car vacuum, computer keyboard, blower, vacuum cleaner, any number of things that you can use. You could use a blower slash vacuumer for in a small place. I mean, it's great for small crevices in cars or around cabinets, things of that nature. It can also blow up inflatables. So let's check it out and see what it is, okay? So first thing, box is really nice if you're looking for a gift. Great gift packaging, easy to package, easy to wrap. Open this up. It has a great storage bag for all of the things that we're just about to go unwrap. So this is the storage bag for it. Here is the unit itself. Now you do have to charge this up, which I have done. It comes with a power cord. You have to provide its own block, of course, but it does provide a power cord with a, it's got a C on one end and the old type connector on the other, USB connector on the other side. So inside here, there's a little, you probably can't see it. I don't know that I can show it. I'll try to show it up close here. There's a dust cap in there, and that's where you empty it. Where all the garbage comes in and comes out of. And I would imagine, and there's a dust cap in here where you clean it out. So you can just turn it here like this. And the whole unit, you take this away. Do not ever get this part wet. Never get this part wet. But then you can just take this apart and you can clean this, dust it off. There is an actual inside filter that is replaceable every 3 months or so. Put this back in. Just find the places where it goes. Get it to the right, it's keyed. There we go. And just click it. So now it is ready to go. And you have your vacuum unit. That is the unit. So you can turn it on. You can see that it sucks pretty decently. And then it blows on this side. Let's turn it off. That's low and high. So there's a high section too. So pretty powerful. Pretty powerful little battery powered. So let's see what else we got. Instructions, which I've read, which are pretty good. What attachments do we have here? We have an attachment that's just a regular, like, floor attachment. What else do we have? Attachments for inflating things. So you have a attachment for a small, attachments for a large, like if you have a large inflatable bed, that would go in there. And then just different size attachments. And what you do with that, what you do, you put that on the opposite end, and you just turn those on there, like so. And then you turn the guy on. Turn on high. You see that it blows pretty good wind. It would blow up an inflatable pretty quick. And you can put it in. This attachment actually would go in there, but these other attachments just pop on here. You see it blowing the shirts over there. It's pretty powerful. Pretty powerful. All right, so that's the blower function. So you have an attachment for the blower if you wanted to blow out something that's a little bit more filtered. Blowing out keyboards and things like that, so it's not such a strong air force. Pretty clever. And then you have a duster. Or, crevice tool, getting into crevices. What else do we have here, you might say? Okay, a couple more attachments. A short crevice tool and a long crevice tool for getting into those tight spots if you're vacuuming out your car or what have you. Folks, I think this is a pretty nice little unit. It's small, it's compact, something you can throw under the seat of your car. It can be charged at all times. So you go to the beach, you can inflate those inner tubes or whatever else it is, and you can also clean out the cookie crumbs out of your cup holder. So let's check it out, shall we? So we've got the floor thing on here. We've got some crumbs right here. So let's see how it does. It sucks that rug up really nice. Now, this is probably more dog hair than a little thing like this you'd have to handle, but it's handling it very well. And it's really nice, very, very clean. So the other thing I wanted to do is put this in here. Actually, we'll just use this tool here. And if you can see here, I'm hoping it shows up on the camera. We've got some dogs just this adjusts like so. So we'll use the non-brushy part and we'll see what happens. Well, look at that. It's sucking it right up. Let's get that brush down there and let it do its little action. Folks, I'd say this is a handy little vacuum cleaner to have. Go out and get yourself one today.